Don't like apples but still want the nutrition from them? Try some apple tea. In this video, I will tell you the possible health benefits of apple tea and the right way to make it. So let's get started. Number 7. Prevents cancer. Apple tea contains good amounts of catechins, quinferol, and quercetin. These antioxidants possess anti-cancer properties. They prevent oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals in the body. Number 6. Control blood sugar levels. Apple tea is loaded with polyphenolic compounds. They stimulate the insulin activity in our pancreas and improve blood sugar levels. Number 5. Improves focus and memory. Apple tea has positive effects on our brain health. It increases the acetylcholine activity in brains. This helps to improve memory and sharpens the focus. Number 4. Boosts immunity. Apple tea is a superfood against certain autoimmune diseases. It is loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, which are extremely important for a healthy immune system. Number 3. Better heart health. Apple tea is jam-packed with polyphenols. Studies show that polyphenols effectively reduce bad cholesterol levels. They relax the arterial muscles, ensuring the smooth flow of blood. Hence, apple tea promotes good heart health. Number 2. Prevents Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Apple tea can be a great solution to prevent Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Antioxidants in apple tea prevent substantia nigra, the loss of dopamine-producing cells. This helps with Parkinson's disease. The phytochemicals in apple tea reduce the free radical activity, which helps to prevent Alzheimer's disease. Number 1. Promotes weight loss. Apple tea is one of the healthiest negative calories drinks. This is already a low-calorie drink. When you drink it hot, it kickstarts the metabolism. The metabolism starts burning more calories than consumed. This is why apple tea is recommended for quick yet healthy weight loss. How to make apple tea? Brewing apple tea takes only about 10 minutes. Take some slices of fresh or dried apple and put them in a pan with 1.5 cups of water. Turn the heat on. Add 2 cloves and a small cinnamon stick. Let the mixture come to a boil. Let it cook until reduced to 1 cup. Steep it for about 2 minutes and your apple tea is ready. If you're in the mood for iced tea, simply put this concoction into your refrigerator until cool. Thanks for watching. For more health-related content, stay tuned.